classic cars, they gotta go through so much. You gotta get on this dyno thing. You gotta check the gas. I check everything. They need to bring the law back like they made in April of 2005. So you feel me? Your car is over 30 years old. You shouldn't have to get it small. This car is about 44 years old. I'm not. Oh, it's 77. So it's 1977. It's 2021. It's about 40 some years. They still gotta get small. At least these, they shouldn't. You feel me? These things over 40 years old. They should. Alright. It is what it is. I ain't the lawmaker. Keep this shit right by doing it this way though. I don't know why it matters. You got them cars 68 and older getting new motors in it. As long as it's a new motor, you should be alright. But them, you feel me? What messes it up is the carburetor. If your carburetor ain't dialed right, that's what messes up the emissions. Get everything smelling wrong. As long as your shit smelling right, tight, you good. Shouldn't have to go through all this shit. I go through more than what the newer cars go through. Newer cars just come in and just hook it up to the machine and run, idle. You don't have to get on the dyno. You ain't got to get the gas check. They really check out the car. You feel me? So why not clear this motherfucker? You gotta go do so much. And it costs hella much to get it small. What's the point? I ain't got time for that. It's too much money. He already charged about 100 and something for a small. I'm getting SUV prices. It's crazy.